Check out this 2011 Toyota Camry. This is a very nice and low-mileage 11 Toyota Camry LE. This one is well equipped with power door locks, a cruise control, power windows, power door locks with keyless entry, M-Fathom per candela with iPod plug and much more. It has gone through a very rigorous inspection process and would make a great vehicle for family trips or just a fun daily drive to work while getting great gas economy. It is also 5-star crash-rated vehicle. Don't wait and miss it. Call now for your most professional buying experience ever. Print this ad to lock down your special internet incentives. Special financing options may be available at your request as well. You could ask for a smoother running engine and transmission. It runs like it was very well taken care of. We verify the market daily and price our vehicles very aggressively in a nationwide as well as our local market. Come see one of the largest and most diverse inventories in Southeast Texas. Please call us for more information. The special internet price is $17,995. Contact the dealership today at 409-833-7100.